Alright, we're here down at the river cross. See if we'll make it for like the 5th time across. Made it. No problem. A little bit of spinach. Oh, I put some new, well, not new, but different mud tires on this. Actual mud tires. Here it is. They got pretty nice drag. They're off four-wheeler. They go through the mud pretty good. Out here testing it. It's pretty sloppy. I've been through here a couple times. See? A little bit of spinach. She does just fine. That's just idling along. Doing great. My pants could be doing better though. And they're all covered in mud. It's all nice and muddy now. I even washed this the other day when I put them tires on. What are you gonna do? Them things look pretty good on there. Well, till next time.